Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with BatchLeads for target list building step by step clearly. Visit the BatchLeads website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information in the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and password. Read through the terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email after submitting your registration. Check your email inbox for this confirmation message. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once verified, return to the BatchLeads website. Log in with the email and password you used to register. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Look for options related to list building or target lists. Select the feature that allows you to create or import a target list. Choose the criteria you want to set for your target list. This may include location, property type, owner status, and more. Adjust the filters according to your specific needs. After setting your criteria, click on the Generate List button. BatchLeads will compile the results based on your specifications. Review the generated list for accuracy and relevance. If necessary, refine your criteria and regenerate the list. Once satisfied, save or export your target list as needed. You are now ready to utilize your target list for your campaigns. Explore additional features offered by BatchLeads for list management. Consider integrating other tools or functionalities to enhance your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.